Dear students, a warm welcome to all of you to today's class. We were discussing about various external hardware devices. We know there are three categories of external hardware devices. They are input devices, output devices, and storage devices. In the previous class, we have learned about various types of input devices. In today's class, we will learn about various output devices. What are called output devices? All of you know the output devices are used to display or print the processed data in a user readable form. Output devices are used to display or print the processed data in a user readable form. The first output device that we are going to discuss about is monitor. Monitor is the most common output device. It is also called Visual Display Unit or VDU. Monitor is also called Visual Display Unit. It is an electronic visual display for computers. The picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of small colored dots called pixels. How a picture is formed on the monitor? By the combination of thousands of small colored dots, and those dots are called pixels. The output displayed on the monitor is also called source copy. What is called source copy? The output displayed on the monitor is called source copy. There are three types of monitors. How many types of monitors are there? Three types. First one, CRT monitors. What is called CRT monitors? Cathode ray tube monitors. CRT means cathode ray tube. The second category is LCD monitors. What is called LCD monitors? Liquid crystal display. LCD stands for liquid crystal display. And the third one, light emitting diode monitors or LED monitors. LED stands for light emitting diode. So these are the three types of monitors. As all of you know, the picture here shows a CRT monitor. CRT monitors are not widely used now. It was used in older days. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube. CRT stands for cathode ray tube. And here this image shows an LCD monitor. This is an LCD monitor. What is the full form of LCD? Liquid crystal display. Liquid crystal display. And the third type of monitors are LED monitors. What is it called? LED monitors. LED means light emitting diode. LED stands for light emitting diode. So these are the various types of monitors. And next we discuss about another output device, that is printer. All of us know what is the use of a printer. As you know, a printer is a peripheral device that accepts text and graphic output from the computer and prints the information on a paper. The printed information on the paper is also called hard copy. What is called hard copy? the printed information on the paper by a printer is called hard copy. A printer is connected to the computer using a USB port or Wi-Fi connection. We discuss about two types of printers, impact printers and non-impact printers. What are the two types of printers? Impact printers and non-impact printers. There are different types of impact printers. There are different types of impact printers. What are the different types of impact printers? The examples for impact printers are daisy wheel printers and dot matrix printers. The two types of impact printers are daisy wheel printers and dot matrix printers. The picture here shows a daisy wheel printer and this figure shows a dot matrix printer. How does an impact printer work? Impact printers allow physical contact between the printer head and the paper. That means the printout is formed by striking the printer head on the paper. They print by the impact of printer head on the paper. They are also called character printers. So impact printers are also called character printers. Now then we see about non-impact printers. What are the next type of printers? Non-impact printers. What are the examples for non-impact printers? Do you know? Yes. Thermal printers, inkjet printers, laser printers are examples for non-impact printers. What are the different types of non-impact printers? Thermal printers, inkjet printers and laser printers. Here, the picture here shows a laser printer. This is a laser printer. And this one is an inkjet printer. What type of printer is this? Inkjet printer. How does a non-impact printer work? Non-impact printers do not allow physical contact between the printing head and the paper. Non-impact printers do not strike the printer head on the paper. That is, they do not strike against the linked ribbon or the paper which is being printed. Only the ink used for printing touches the paper. Only the ink used for printing touches the paper and the characters are formed. Non-impact printers, of course, have better print quality. Which type of printers have better print quality? Impact printers or non-impact printers? Non-impact printers have better print quality. And finally, we discuss the use of a projector. All of you know what is the use of a projector. A projector is an output device that takes the images generated by computer and displays them onto a big screen, wall or any other flat surface. A projector takes the images generated by a computer and displays those images and text into a big screen, a wall or any other flat surface. A projector is commonly used in schools, classrooms for teaching, at a meeting in an office to project the presentation about some newly launched product or strategy, in cinema theaters for projecting movies. So these are the places where projectors are used. A projector is an output device that takes the images generated by a computer and displays them into a big screen, wall or any other flat surface. So these are the various types of output devices. You have to study today's topics. We bind up today's class. Thank you.